Inside of CapCut Desktop Editor, you can also easily add in text and then work around with text in different ways. So let's focus on adding text first. So to do that, you need to go around onto the text tab over here, and here you can see that this is the text right here, the default text. You can go around and click on the plus button, and there you go, there's this text right here. So now you can go around and double click and type in TutorTube right here just like this, and then place it out wherever you want right here. Resize it out, place it wherever you want right here just like this. You can go around and click on text once more, and I'm going to go around and say keep on learning right here just like this, and this is another text as you can see right here. If I were to go around under media right here and bring in this particular footage, you can see that the text is on the top of the media now, and that is how you can go around and control it. And that is how you can go around and add in text onto your projects inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.